Dr. King said, "Every person must decide whether to walk in the light of creative altruism or the darkness of selfishness. This is the question. Life's most urgent question is, what are you going to do for others?" I was standing face to face with his grave. That was what made me feel like he would expect something more from me than what I was already doing. What we're trying to do in Literacy Bridge is to improve the health, education, and income of impoverished families through knowledge. And what the talking book does is allow people to share this knowledge with each other. We can't wait for the 800 million illiterate adults to become literate. We take this two-pronged approach: improve literacy, but also provide knowledge without having to become literate first. People listen and they learn from it, but there's also a record button on every device. People enjoy sharing their own practices that work. Experts are everywhere. One of the most creative uses of talking books I saw at a rural clinic. Women carrying their children from villages hours away. They wait for hours in line, and then they get to the nurse, and they only have a few minutes before they're in and out, address the problem as much as they can, and they're back to the village. These nurses record all of the information that they wish people really understood, things that they can bring back to their village and tell other people. So they record this information onto the talking book. And then while people are waiting in line, they've got hours to learn it. And then they leave the clinic armed with all of this information to help improve the health of their children and really their entire community. We can fight the prevalence of HIV/AIDS, of malaria, of TB, of malnutrition, of infant mortality. People can grow more crops, start more productive businesses, connect that knowledge from these experts to the people who need it. And that's what we have the opportunity to do. You look around and you see that same intelligence and passion, excitement to solve problems that we all saw at Microsoft. But now we're doing it and working on social impact. The opportunity is enormous.